Day 8 to becoming unrecognizable. Buenos días. Now let's go get dressed. This is my outfit for today. Now let's go work out and get some coffee. I hope you have an amazing day. Right after this, I'm going to give you a little moment to go grab your Bibles. We're going to go read our Bibles in a little bit. The best part of the day. And that's how I make my coffee. Salud. Good every time. Here's our breakfast. Huevo con salchichas. Cheers. Today we are going to read John 1:19 through 26. John the Baptist is not the Messiah. The Jewish leaders sent priests and Levites from Jerusalem to ask John, "Who are you?" John did not refuse to answer. He said, "I am not the Messiah." So they asked him, "So who are you? Are you Elijah?" John said, "No, I am not." They asked, "Are you the prophet?" John answered, "No." Then they said, "Tell us who you are. We must say something to the people who sent us. What do you say about yourself?" He said, "I am not the voice of somebody shouting in the wilderness. The Lord will come soon. Make straight path for him." That is what the prophet Isaiah said a long time ago. The men who came to ask these questions were Pharisees. They said to John, "You say that you are not the Messiah, nor Elijah, nor the prophet. So why do you baptize people?" John replied, "I baptize people with water, but there is someone here among you that you do not know. He is the one who comes after me. I am not good enough even to undo his shoes for him." I read to 27.